Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print on the coupons.com website. Now, I always print my coupons on Swagbucks, which is through the coupons.com site also, where I get points for every coupon. Today, I get 2 points for every coupon that I print, and then you get points when you redeem your coupons too, but it does take a while to get points for that. So, I kind of went through it. I don't see a lot of good coupons, but hey, if you guys are interested in that, here we got $1 off of 2, the Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp, if you guys want that. Here we got $1 off any Kellogg's fruit flavored snacks. I'm printing that off because there is a deal coming to Pick and Save / Kroger coming up, I think, for that, so I'm printing those off. Here we got $3.50 off a Truvia Stevia sweetener. I'm printing that off because usually sometimes there's a deal on Ibotta. A lot of coupons did reset the other day, and I did point out which ones reset, so if you guys check that out, those are all that. Let's see what else they got. Nothing that's really popping out at me. Yeah, here is a $3 off Schick razors, which I'm printing that off. I'm going to print off this $1 off Colgate, just in case. You never know. Sometimes those coupons pop up. Here's a $2 off Neutrogena sun products, which is now with summer coming up. I'm going to try to get some more suntan lotion. Sorry, my son is coughing in the background. He's getting over a cold. I've been up all night long, so yeah. But other than that, there's really nothing new to print off. I mean, if you guys still haven't printed these coupons off, definitely do that. But other than that, that is it. Just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.